Hello guys, it's Warren and the twins back with another video. Today we're going to be playing Battle Cats. So I have 2 cat capsules, so I'm going to roll them very quickly right now. Okay, I wonder what we're going to get. That is the worst you can get. A yellow cat fruit, that's not that bad. You know, I actually quite like that. But it looks like today we are going to do the Black Cyclone. So I've seen this level, and if any of you want to know why I'm doing this level, it's because I have Wargod Nobudanaga / Wargod Nobudanaga, who is one of the best cats in this challenge. So what I'm going to do is make a black loadout. While on screen, I tell you about the Black Cyclone. Thank you, Warren. This is voiceover Warren. So cyclones are notoriously weak to crowd control, and that goes double for Black Cyclone. With 2 easily countered traits, any combination of anti-floating and or anti-black units with slow or freeze abilities can put an end to Black Cyclone's onslaught. Some examples being Flower Cat, Gunslinger, Bodhisattva Cat, I cannot pronounce that name for my life, Bishop Cat, and Wargod Nobudanaga. Good job, Warren. High five. And his health is 1,200,000 HP, and his attack power is 4,000. Yes, Warren, that is very knowledgeable. So now that I've gotten my loadout and everything, it looks like I'm finally going to be able to attack. I've been waiting a week for this. I'm so ready. Okay, so my goal here is to get the cat that I've been looking for. And, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start out with my anti-black rares. Now meat shield a little bit. Send out my actual anti-black rares to actually do the damage. So while I'm meat shielding, I'm also saving up money for my Nobudanaga. Okay, it looks like I was not careful enough that time. I think I'm just going to try again with more meat shields. Maybe instead of you, I noticed you weren't that good in this instance. I'll put in, do I have any good meat shields that I could use here? Maybe a little wall cat. I noticed wall was doing quite good here, so I'll try again. Start out with the walls. Because I'm still gaining money while doing these walls. Okay, so the first black doge. Not fun. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're eating through my defenses. Literally. Okay. How can I not even get through the first part? This is horrible. Okay. Looks like I need to resolve this level. Okay, that was horrible. How am I not getting good scores? This hurts me. This hurts me. This hurts me. Literally. Okay, so maybe I just need more meat shields. Okay, we're back. I watched an ad for another bit of energy. I am so annoyed by that. Maybe put in Sexy Legs Cat. Oh, my Jimmo. My head hurts. Maybe in the beginning I just save up. I don't know. Literally. I'm saving up for my Hades because he's actually useful for any of my stages. I'll send out you guys just to stall him for a tiny, tiny bit. It's not going to work very well, but it's going to stall at least. Okay, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Goodbye. Whew. That was a close call. I'm at half my percent already. Oh, meat shield, meat shield, meat shield. Okay. And it seems like I'm actually pushing quite well. So I'll wait for a little bit because I'm pushing. And I got my Wargod Nobudanaga, who I have mixed feelings about, but I think that for this stage, he'll do good. And I changed my Makakos and Joni to her anti-black one instead of anti-alien one. I think this should be able to work. If I just slow them, my Oda can freeze, so I think I should be good. Maybe now I just save up for my Makako. Yep, he's frozen. Okay. I have one attack on my, and okay. I look like I'm doing okay, but it's not great. Oh no. Yep, okay, so my Oda's dead. My Oda is dead. Okay. This is some insightful knowledge. Okay. I got a new Oda. So I think that another thing that I should know about is, how is my Makako surviving this? This is crazy. Well, she is resistant, but I didn't expect her to do this well. How is Oda? You are great here. Okay, let's slow you guys for fun. Okay. I can see, okay, he's got a knockback. I know he has a bunch of knockbacks, but okay. I better beat this level fast. Cyclone is being a little gooberous. He's being constantly knocked back, but okay, the Neandum has been knocked back. I think the thing that I needed to do was just put in Sexy Legs Cat. I think he was providing extra defense against the doges at the beginning. Okay, double Oda. Everybody loves double Odas. So I guess we have double the freezing power. It doesn't really do anything though, because Oda is mainly only for freezing, and having more than that, it doesn't really do anything. So slow him. Yeah, I get slowed. Oh no, I'm doing. This scares me, but okay. I have a new. Yep, I have both Odas. Correct. That is correct. And I have another. Oh, nope. I have one Oda. One Oda died. Maybe it was actually good to have more than one Oda. Because now I have a replacement for him. And Bahamut, you were literally in the middle of your attack. And pow! Okay, then Neandam's dead. I think Bahamut is actually doing quite good here. I like him. Well, of course I like him, but for the stage, I like him too. You got the soda. And the Cyclone's dead. Good game, Cyclone. Good game. Okay. Well, good game. Good game. And now I'm going to cut to me beating the stage. Okay, so we are here, and we just got a Meow Medal. Hooray, Dark Skies, Clear Heaven of Darkness. I'm going to use, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this. Oh, darn. Well, I'll use a leadership. Yes, doobity, doobity. I just got Bronze Cat, hooray. I'm just going to take a quick look at Bronze Cat. Well, Bronze Cat looks cool. I like him. I heard that he's actually quite good, so I'll take mine to that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.